The Hell Creek Formation, known for its iconic dinosaurs like Triceratops and Tyrannosaurus rex, has revealed two new species of predatory birds that lived 68 million years ago. Researchers identified these species from single powerful foot bones, suggesting they could capture and carry prey similarly to modern hawks and owls. Notably, the bones exhibited a unique muscle attachment point indicative of strength necessary for hunting. Biomechanical analyses indicates that these birds, named Avisaurus darwini and Magnosaurus echolacaiensis, could have preyed on small mammals and baby dinosaurs. This discovery offers insights into the survival of birds after the mass extinction event that eliminated many dinosaurs.